Hello everyone, this is Rohit, your yoga instructor. Today I will be teaching you a wonderful yoga posture known as Hanumanasana. This is also known as front split, which is practiced by the dancers and the gymnasts. Doing front splits can improve flexibility in your hips, hamstrings and groin, making daily movements easier. It also helps prevent injuries by increasing your range of motion and enhancing muscle balance. Plus, it can improve posture and relieve tension in the lower back, leading to better overall mobility and comfort. For athletes and dancers, mastering front splits can enhance performance by increasing agility, reducing the risk of strains, and improving overall body control. It allows for fluid movements and greater extension in leaps, kicks, and jumps, ultimately elevating their skill level and artistic expression. In this flow, we shall attain front split in 3 steps. Step 1. Warm up with Surya Namaskar to heat up the body and prevent injuries. Step 2. Engage in preparatory yoga poses and stretches to target relevant muscles. Step 3 is the practice of front split. Now without further ado, let's get started. Let's start Surya Namaskar now. First Pranamāsana, arms up, bend back, Hasta Uttanasana, bend forward, Padahustasana. If you are flexible, forehead should touch the knees. Now slowly take your right leg back, Ashvasanchalasana, right knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Left leg back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Knee down, chest down and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Raise your trunk, Bhujangasana, point the toes back. Tuck the toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward between palms, Ashvasanchalasana. Left knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Left leg forward, Padahustasana. Slowly come up, raise your arms overhead, bend back, arms down, relax. So we do same thing on left side. Prayer pose, arms up and bend back, bend forward, forehead should touch the knees if you are flexible. So take your left leg back, knee on the floor, toe pointing back, look forward. Right leg back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Put your knee down, chest down and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Raise your trunk, Bhujangasana. Tuck the toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, Ashvasanchalasana. Right leg forward, Padahustasana. Slowly come up, raise your arms and bend back. Bring your arms down, Samasthiti, relax. Second set, Pranamāsana. Hasta Uttanasana, bend back. Padahustasana, bend forward. Right leg back, Ashvasanchalasana, knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Left leg back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Put your knee down, chest down and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana, point the toes back. Tuck the toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward between palms, Ashvasanchalasana. Left leg forward, Padahustasana. Join your hands, arms up, bend back, Hasta Uttanasana. Arms down. Again Pranamāsana. Arms up, bend back, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahustasana, palms down, forehead touching to knees. Left leg back, Ashvasanchalasana. Right leg back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Put your knee down, chest down and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Raise your trunk, Bhujangasana. Tuck the toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, Ashvasanchalasana. Right leg forward, Padahustasana. Arms up, bend back, Hasta Uttanasana. Bring your arms down, Samasthiti. Third set, Pranamāsana. Arms up, bend back, Hasta Uttanasana. Bend forward, Padahustasana. Right leg back, Ashvasanchalasana. Left leg back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Knee down, chest down and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. 30 toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward, Ashvasanchalasana. Left leg forward, Padahastasana. Arms up, bend back, Hasta Uttanasana, Samasthiti. Prayer, arms up, bend back, bend forward, forehead should touch the knees. Left leg back. Then take your right leg back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Put your knee down, chest down, chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. 30 toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha. Left leg forward, Ashvasanchalasana. Right leg forward, Padahastasana. Arms up and bend back. Bring your arms down, Samasthiti, and relax. That completes Surya Namaskar, 3 sets. Now let's do some preparatory postures for front split. The first one is Padangustasana. Hold the big toe with your middle finger, forefinger and thumb and pull. If you are flexible, your nose should be between the knees and feel the stretch in the hamstring muscles. You can hold this posture for 20 counts or 30 counts. Make sure your breathing is slow, deep and rhythmic. Come up and relax. Next we'll do Padahastasana. Put your whole palms beneath the feet. The tip of your toe should touch the inner wrist. Then again, slightly pull. And if you are flexible, your nose up between the knees. By keeping the legs straight, feel the stretch in the hamstrings and the back muscles. Stay there. Keep breathing deeper. Breathe comfortably. So you can stay here for 20 or 30 counts and come back. Relax. Next, we'll do Trikonasana, triangle posture. Spread your legs 3 feet wider. Bring your arms in line with the shoulder exactly parallel to the floor. Turn your right foot 90 degrees right side, left foot slightly inwards. Now bend sideways right side. Hold the big toe with your middle finger, forefinger and thumb and gaze your left thumb or look up. And hold this posture for 20 counts or 30 counts. This gives a lateral stretch to the spine and also you get a nice stretch to your right hamstrings. Stay there and breathe comfortably. Now arms parallel to the floor. Let's do same thing on other side. Turn your left foot. Grab your left big toe with your middle finger, forefinger and thumb. Now gaze your right thumb. Hold this pose for equal length of time. Can be 20 counts or 30 counts. Bring your arms parallel to the floor, correct both your feet, come back, Samasthiti. Next posture is Parnasana. Take your hands back, do Namaste, join your palms. Now spread your legs 3 to 3.5 feet wider. Then turn your right foot right side 90 degrees and left foot inward 60 degrees. Turn your whole body towards right, look up the nail. With exhalation, bend forward. Now if you are flexible, your lips of forehead should touch your right knee. Stay there for 20 counts or 30 counts. Ensure you're breathing deeper. This gives a nice stretch to the back muscles and the hamstring muscles. Now slowly come up. Let's do same thing on other side. Turn your left foot left side 90 degrees. And then right foot 60 degrees inwards. Turn your whole body to your left. Look up, inhale, exhale and bend forward. Now your lips or forehead should touch your left knee. Hold this pose for 20 or 30 counts, equal length of time. Now slowly raise your trunk, turn to your right, correct both your feet, come back to Samasthiti and relax. Now let us stretch the quadricep muscles and the hip flexors. Take your right leg back, put your right knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Then put your hands on the waist. This is high lunge posture. Stay there, feel the stretch. Continue breathing deeper for 20 or 30 counts. Now slowly put your right hand down on the mat. Then turn to your left. Grab your right foot with the left hand. Pull. Right heel should be close to the right hip. Hold. This gives a nice stretch to your right quadriceps and the hip flexor muscles. Hold this for 20 counts or 30 counts. Ensure your breathing is comfortable and breathe deeper. Next, we're doing the lizard pose, Phastasana. Place your forearms down, point your right toe back. Stay here. Continue breathing deeper and hold this posture for 20 or 30 counts. Then Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax. We'll be doing same thing on other side. Now slowly take your right leg forward between palms, left knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Put your hands on the waist. Gently push the pelvic forward. Now feel the stretch on the left quadricep muscles and the hip flexors. Hold this for 20 or 30 counts. Breathe deeper. So put your left palm down on the mat. Take your right hand back. Turn to your right. Grab your left foot with right hand, pull. Left heel getting close to the left hip. Stay there. Feel the stretch. Breathe deeper. You can hold this for 20 or 30 counts. Now slowly release. Lizard pose or Phastasana. Put your forearms down. Point your left toe back. Stay there. Continue breathing deeper. Hold this for 20 or 30 counts. If you're done, go in downward facing dog and relax. Now we shall try doing the front split. Slowly take your right leg between palms. Left knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Now gently move your right leg forward. Extend. Stretch according to your flexibility and hold the front split 20 to 30 counts. Do not force or give any jerk movements as this may result in injuries. After 30 counts, you can slowly take your right leg back, Go in Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. Relax. Now we shall do same thing on other side. Slowly take your left leg forward between palms. Right knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Now gently move your left leg forward, toes pointing up. Extend your left leg and stretch as much as possible. Continue breathing deeper. Hold this for 20 to 30 counts. Gently take your left leg back. Again Adho Mukha Svanasana. We'll do this one more time. Take your right leg forward and then do the front straight. Do not force this if you have a pain, and you can always stop whenever you feel intense pain or uncomfortable. Now slowly take your right leg back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax, and we shall do that on other side. Take your left leg forward and then extend your left leg, toe pointing up. Stretch. Now hold this for 20 or 30 counts. Continue breathing deeper. Now take your left leg back. Go in Adho Mukha Svanasana. If you are a beginner and struggling to do the front split due to lack of flexibility, you can also use the yoga blocks and do the front split without overstretching. You can place the yoga blocks perpendicular and stretch according to your flexibility. You can also use the yoga bolster to do the front split. Thank you for watching the complete video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Please do comment if you have any queries.